morning. Students, this video will see the exercise 3.6. 3.6 factorize. Okay. Before this, 3.5 and 3.4, we will see the factorize. But it is here using identities. And now here, without identity, only we will do for the factorization. Without identities, we will do for the factorization. Okay. Without identities. Okay. Already we studied in the 8th standard without identities how we will do for the factorization. So for example, we will see here exercise question 3.6. See the first question, x square plus 10x plus 24. X square plus 10x plus 24. So first of all, the factorization, we have some formation will be there. Okay, formation. If it is like this only, we will go for the factorization. See, square term and the coefficient and the constant value. If it is like this only, we will go for the factorization. Otherwise, we can't do for the factorization. Okay, so this is the equation. This equation. So first, we will consider the constant value. If you are considering constant value, we have to consider the two numbers or two factors. We will say the two numbers. The numbers, if you are multiply means, did you understand? If you are multiply means you want to get this number, which is the constant. At the same number, if you are add means addition. Okay, add means you will get for the coefficient of x. Did you understand? You have to consider the two numbers. The two numbers, if you are multiply means you will get the constant value. At the same number, if you are add means you will get the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x, not x square, coefficient of x. See, the numbers are 24. First one, constant value 24. 6 fours are 24. Did you understand? 6 fours are 24. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So like that only you have to find this value. Numbers. Okay. If you find these numbers, the factorization is very easy. See, x square plus 6x plus 4x plus 24. We are find these two numbers, in these two numbers, instead of this coefficient of x only we will write. Not a x square, not a constant value. Instead of coefficient of x only we will write. Okay. Then, so first step is over. The next step, so we got a four digits, 4 numbers are there. So here the first two numbers, x square and 6x. X square and 6x. X square means x into x. 6x means 6 into x. So x is a common. So we are taking outside. Then balance x plus 6. Did you understand? X plus 6. So here the 4 is a common. So like this you will write and take 4x plus 24. So 4 is a common. Again balance x plus 6. So in this factorization, so now this step you have to verify your answer your step is correct or wrong. How? Means you will multiply this. Again you will multiply, you want to get this result. X into x, x square. X into 6, 6x. 4 into x, 4x. 4, 6 are 24. After that, these two brackets we need to equal. If it is not equal, your factorization is wrong. Okay. So next, x plus 6, x plus 6. So we will consider for 1 x plus 6. 2x plus 6 is the 1. Again, x plus 4. X plus 4. That's all. So this is the factorize. Okay. Did you understand? We'll go for one more sum. See the second one. Z square. Variable will be different. Any variables are allowed. Z square plus 4z minus 12. Did you see this? There is a minus. It is not a minus, it is a plus. So here it is a minus. See that? So the same method will be there. Method. First one, square term, then coefficient, then constant value. So like this method we need to. Otherwise we can't do for the factorization. So here also we will find the factorization. The factors are, when we are multiplied, we want to get a minus 12. What is this? Minus 12. The same number, if you are add means, we need to get plus 4a. You understand? First we will consider the two numbers. The two numbers, if you are multiplying means you want to get minus 12. So 6 minus 12. 6 2s are 2 plus into minus minus. When we are add this, one is a positive, another one is a negative. So you will go for the subtraction and make a biggest number sign. So it is a plus 4 only. So we can write the same procedure only. Whatever we'll do here, the same procedure. After find this, see z square plus 6z minus 2z. Okay. Then last term minus 12. From these two, z is a common. Then z plus 6z. Z plus 6a. Then minus 2, these two value. Minus 2 is a common. Again, z plus 6a. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you will multiply and you will get this result. Otherwise, your factorization is wrong. And the next time, these two want to equal. These two brackets want to equal. Otherwise, it is the factorization is also for wrong. See, z into z square, z into 6z, minus 2 into z, minus 2z, minus into plus z, minus 2 6 are 12. Okay? Z plus 6a. Next, z minus 2. Z minus 2. Okay, over. Next, second method. Second method. So what is the difference between this and here? See, 2a square plus 9a plus 10a. So this factorization and this factorization, we have a small difference only is there. So here, the first method is the coefficient of x square or z square, any number, any variable. There is not a numbers. Not a numbers means there is a number is there, but it is a one only. Okay. But here, but is a more than one. More than one is available. Okay. So that is only the difference. So what? If you are coming like this factorization, what we will do? If it is coming like this factorization, what we will do? This 2, you have to multiply with this 10. This 2, you want to multiply the coefficient of x is a square term, you know. So what is the coefficient of a square is equal to 2. This 2, you have to multiply with 10. So what you will get? 20. 20. So now I told you, you have to consider the two numbers. Two numbers. That numbers, if you are multiplying means you want to get for 20. Want to get for 20. At the same time, if you are add these two numbers, you want to get for 9. Okay. See this? 5 4s are adding means 9. Okay. So we can substitute. After that, the same way only. See, 2a square plus 4a plus 5a plus 10a. Instead of this coefficient of a only, we will write it. Not a square, not a constant value. The same method. Whatever we will do for the first method, the same way. Only the difference between the coefficient of a square, whatever the variable, that only is the difference. So if it is coming like this, you will multiply here. So what is the coefficient? What is the multiplication of terms? 20. Okay. So from these two values, from here we will find, so like this 2a square, then 4a, So 2a square means 2 into a into a. Then 4a means 2 into 2 into a. So a is a common and 2 is a common. So 2a we are taking outside for this first two terms. So what about balance? A plus 2. A plus 2. And next, in these two terms, 5 is a common. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Again, a plus 2. A plus 2. So if you are multiply this, you want to get this result. Next, this 2 is also for equal. So our factorization is correct. So a plus 2 and 2a plus 5a. 2a plus 5a. Okay? 2a plus 5. Did you understand? Okay. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Okay? Thank you.